How do you guys come up with the actual repair plan to fix my home's foundation? Everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is one that a lot of people have concern over, and it is, how do you guys come up with the actual repair plan to fix my home's foundation?
Yeah, so although we are not personally engineers, we work hand in hand with engineers within the area, and we have our engineering specs that they provide. So our piers are spaced out every 6 feet in an attempt to lift, and every 8 feet to stabilize homes. Now, with that, you may want to check out our other video regarding engineering and whether or not we are engineers. It's another one that we'd like to have you guys check out.
Yeah, and like Alex said, we're not an engineering firm, but we've worked with tons of engineering firms. And then there's always a rule of thumb where we can space every pier out, the 6 feet spacing to do the lift. And then get confirmation from one of these engineers to say, yeah, it's a good fix, or hey, maybe you need to add a pier, maybe you subtract a pier, whatever it may be. At the end of the day, we want to make sure we're coming up with the best solution for your home and what's best for you and your family. So thank you, Alex.
Yep, thank you.
And thank you for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answered.